How to restore BIOS default settings in Windows 11. You may need to reset your BIOS to its default settings occasionally. For example, if your computer has trouble booting up. Resetting your BIOS restores it to the last saved configuration. To access the BIOS Setup utility menus, open the Start menu and select the Shutdown option. Allow the computer to turn off and wait 5 seconds. To launch the BIOS Setup utility, press the power button to start the computer and then press the F10 key repeatedly until the BIOS Setup utility menus display. When the BIOS Setup utility launches, you can navigate to the F9 System Recovery function to reset the BIOS to the default settings. If the BIOS has an on-screen keyboard, click the F9 key to automatically select the BIOS default settings. The Load Setup Defaults dialog box now displays. Select Yes to confirm that you want to reset to the BIOS Setup default settings. Press the F10 key to exit the BIOS Setup utility. Select Yes to confirm your changes and exit the BIOS Setup utility. The computer automatically boots into the Windows 11 operating system. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search for our channel to find official HP support videos.